Hi everyone! So for today's tutorial, so paano nga ba tayo magta-turn off ng ating Facebook? So how to turn off our Facebook? I want to turn off my Facebook. Okay. Okay, so let's start here. We need to go to our profile. Oops. And start from here. Okay. So, ito nakikita nyo dito na meron ditong nakalagay ng tatlong dot. This, you need to click this. And then, the professional mode is here. Ayan. So, dapat mag-isip-isip ka muna bago mo i-turn off yan. Kasi, baka hindi na maibabalik yung dating settings na alam mo yun, sayang naman kung nasimulan mo na. Pero ako, ito-turn off ko siya kasi mayroon akong another account. So, ayan. Ayan. So, i-continue lang natin siya dito. Ayan. Then, turn off. So, ayan. Final decision already. Okay? Ayan. So, professional mode turn off successfully.